Let's go. We're running out of space. We're running out of freaking space. Oh, what was that? I'm gonna drop it in too. Oh, that's steep as hell. This bike has a 40 amp controller, carbon fiber finish. Look at how big the freaking battery is. Do you want to see which one is faster, mid-drive versus hub? Oh yeah, this bike is fast as hell. Look at it. Woo! What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys, all right? As you guys can see, I'm currently riding the AmpRise Razorback without any power. The reason for that is because I want to do a top speed run of this bike, and in order to get an accurate number, we can't use any of the power until we're ready. We're currently only working with one battery. This bike actually comes with two. I'm still waiting on the second one. There's been question of what's the actual top speed of this bike, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to the designated top speed run site and do it. We'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? All right, guys, we are at the designated spot, about to perform this top speed run. The first one's gonna be throttle only. Let me go ahead and turn on this bike. As you guys can see, we have 100% power. We're gonna go ahead and put it in sport mode. Oh yeah. We're gonna bump it all the way up to level 5. We're starting off in gear 1. We're gonna work our way up to 9. Hopefully we can reach a top speed of 34 miles per hour. We have the GPS phone app right here just to make sure we're accurate. You guys ready? I know I am. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. We're running out of space. We're running out of freaking space. Come on, Dave. Shift those gears. Oh, we're running out of room. No, that was bad. We can do better. We can do better. My shifting was off. Sad thing is that drained the battery. Look at it. We're already at 91. That's because we only have 1/2 of the 2 batteries. I'm sorry, Josh. Here we go. 3. Oh no, I gotta change my gears. Hold on, guys. All right, here we go. We're gonna go with a rolling start this time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go, Dave. Come on, shift the gears. Come on, just do it. Come on. We're gonna tuck on this one. We gotta go at least 30, right? We're gonna run through this freaking red light if we have to. Come on, 34? No! Dang. GPS app only said 30. This bike seems faster than that. Let's go ahead and do pedal assist even though we drained most of the battery. 3, 2, 1, go! Shift those gears, Dave. Oh, it's shifting nice. Oh, we're moving it. Crank them. Here we go. We're gonna hit 34. We're gonna hit 34. Come on. Oh, we're pulling the handlebars back. That's how strong we are. We can't do it. We cannot do it. Oh, that's the fastest we're gonna go. I'm doing something wrong. This bike is supposed to go like 34 miles per hour. We're not gonna give up, okay? The battery should be coming. When it does come, we're gonna do another top speed run. Until then, since we have you here, we might as well do some off-roading, right guys? Let's go have some fun. We got that nice front motorcycle suspension up here, so we should be handling quite well. Let's go ahead and take off. I found that I like to be in gear 3. It has like really good acceleration and top speed. Oh, we are flying. Oh yeah. Come on, tricky. Let's go. Woo! I don't have no gear on, just a helmet and some gloves. I'm gonna take it easy. Don't want to bang up these beautiful legs. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Feel the freaking power. Woo! Oh, don't slide out though. Nice. Look at this. Easy. Even though this bike isn't full suspension, it does have a suspension seat post and it's doing the job. Whoo, that was nice. Nice. That was sick. Oh, what was that? Oh, my freaking phone. Oh, man. Poor phone. I had it in the case, but I didn't put the safety straps on there. Where'd it freaking go? Where are you? Oh, my goodness. There it is. Oh. Let's get out of here, dog. Let's drop it in 2. Get some more acceleration out of her. Oh, my goodness. Woo! Oh, she's pulling away. Should we try it, Josh? Come on, let's see. Here we go. Roll and start, though. I'm gonna drop it in 2. Oh, that's steep as hell. Hell no. I'm sorry. I don't have the balls today. All right, let's take this bad boy home. I'm ready to go eat. I'm freaking hungry. What's up, guys? It is a brand new day. As you guys can see, we have some more parts on this bike, okay? The rear rack battery ended up coming. This chain ring came. What else came? Like a new chain came. A whole bunch of stuff came. So I already added it onto the bike. And today we're actually taking this bike to another YouTuber. We got to swap bikes, all right? This was just a review bike, so I'm gonna get his bike. He's gonna get this one. We have to meet up in LA, but the cool thing is that we're actually gonna race these bikes. They're both by the same brand, Amp Rides. The other one, I believe, has a 40 amp controller. If that's the case, dude, that bike might be faster than this one. So we'll see.
Testament, painted pictures, put me in the mood. That's a definite universal shift. I'm in the cool. It's celebrity, black mean integrity. I'm a good man. Shake your hand.
Dude, this bike is so freaking big. It takes up the whole trunk of my SUV, dog. Talk about a folding bike, man. Amp Rides, you already know. This is the one I had. The Razorback mid-drive joint, right? Fully loaded. Check this one out. It's on freaking steroids. It has, I think, over 1,500 watts in this joint. This bike has a 40 amp controller, carbon fiber finish. Look at how big the freaking battery is. Guys, this is about to be a banger. Just met up with my boys from Top 5 E-Bikes.
What's up?
Check it out. We're about to do this drag race against these bikes. We want to see which one is faster, mid-drive versus hub. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the joint. It is your boy David, brand new. I am currently on the Amp Rides Razorback. My boy Damien from Top 5 E-Bikes is on the Amp Rides Volt Limited, right? 1,500 watt. Is that what it's called? Dual suspension, by the way. That one has a hub motor. I got the mid-drive. We're gonna do a top speed run, throttle only first. We're gonna swap because he weighs 100 pounds. I'm just playing. We're gonna swap once we get down there, do another throttle only test. Then we're gonna swap again and do a pedal assist test, see which one's faster pedal wise, swap again and do the same test. All right, I know that was a lot. You ready? I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, go. That's when we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ready?
Do the honors.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, takeoff's great. Here we go. Come on. Wow. Wow. He got me. Damn, it's the gears. It's the gearing. It's cheating. It's cheating when you have a hub motor. It's cheating. We didn't even reach the top speed, by the way. Woohoo.
Was that like 10 seconds? I got to like 30.
Did you?
It's really insane.
He said 10 seconds and he was at 30 miles per hour, guys. That's pretty crazy. All right, we're gonna go back and swap bikes. Currently on the freaking hub motor one, the 1,500 watt with the 40 amp controller. This joint has some juice. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. He took off on me, but look. Wait, there's more. Oh, he's doing good. All right. Oh yeah, this bike is fast as hell. Look at it. Woo! Wow. I saw 33, guys. What did you see? I found that staying in like 3, 4, and 5 is actually a good medium. You get a good mix of acceleration with top speed, because you can still hit over 30 miles per hour with 4 in gear 4. So we're gonna do a pedal assist test in pedal assist 5. Now that one has a torque sensor. This one has a cadence sensor, do you know?
Cadence sensor,
Yeah, so this one has a cadence sensor, so it's gonna be a little bit different with pedal assist. That one's super intuitive. For me, I'm not gonna put a lot of power into it besides what the motor is gonna give, because I just wanna see what the bike is gonna do. Because you know, my legs are beefy. I can make this thing go 35 miles per hour if I wanted to. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Here we go. Take off. Wow. This bike's fast as hell, guys. Already at pretty much 30 miles per hour. That had to be like 6 seconds. How fast can we go? 34 miles per hour. That's ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. I have a feeling that this one is faster. I think so. All right, guys, we just swapped bikes. I'm on the Amperized Razorback. My boy Damien from Top 5 E-Bikes is on the Volt. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah. Let's see if he can catch me. I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh, yeah. 31 miles per hour. Not bad, not bad. Wow. Yeah, I told you. Got to get in the gym. All right, guys, those were the races. The bikes are pretty closely matched. I'm pretty sure that this Amperized limited dual suspension is faster than the Razorback. That's only because of the user. I feel like if you had a perfect shift combo, it would probably keep up. But the fact that I'm not really good at shifting, you know, it is what it is. But that bike's fast. I'm gonna take this one home. Stay tuned for more content on that one. It's gonna be a banger. We're gonna have so much fun with that bike, guys.
I think we're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.